Hey, my gorgeous buddies. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. All right, today's game is incredible fun and spooky. It's Build Your Haunted Halloween House. Zombies Edition. You can only choose one apart from the 3 choices, but I bet you will build the best house ever. Ready for the game? Let's fire this all up. Woohoo! First up, choose your Halloween mansion. Where would you stay? Tell us all in the comment. Choose your Halloween food. Would you eat the pumpkin cake, the blood fruit, or the ice candy? Choose your favorite Halloween-themed dining room. Can you guess this word by the scrambled letters? Oh yeah, that's right. It's the word Halloween. Next up, choose your basement. Yikes, I wouldn't choose any. Up next, which dress would you choose to wear during Halloween? Would you trick or treat this character? I think he loves trick or treat. Choose the living room that suits your style. Bedrooms in Halloween theme. Which would you choose? Choose your Halloween task. Will you like this video or maybe subscribe to Quiz Slice? It's all up to you. Choose your Halloween toy. I would take all 3. Which lantern here are you choosing? Zombies Haunted Duel. Which are you choosing? Nova Doll, Victor Doll, or Zed Doll? Choose your kitchen theme. Choose the graveyard. Choose your chandelier. They all look awesome. Would you rather join the zombies' Halloween party with all the cast, or you'd rather stay home and watch it later? Choose wisely. Choose your wreath. cookies are you gonna take? Choose it, or maybe take all. Can you find the odd jack-o'-lantern out? Choose your Halloween lamp, the zombie one, the ghost one, or the pumpkin one. Which fireplaces among these three are you choosing? Choose your chair for the Halloween decoration. Choose the forest you must go through. So spooky. Choose your Halloween-themed mug. Spot the three differences within these two images. Yup. They're here. Choose the candles that fits your style. Which costumes would you use during Halloween? Choose it now. One more coming up. Choose your Halloween-themed TV. Lastly, choose your candy bucket. And that's the end of this one. Satisfied with what you choose? I'm proud of you. I bet you built the best zombies Halloween house. Be sure to comment all your answers, and we will see you next time.